the entire town.
The diner, just the diner. All right, let's go. Do you want to explain where we're going?
So today we are now going to fly north and west towards the Front Range and try and get some of this morning light hitting the freshly covered high peaks with snow. And then we're going to go get some pancakes. These are by far the biggest pancakes. I think they are also used for hubcaps. That guy's getting going before we are.
So what Paul said was right. We're gonna go get pancakes, except he can't really speak fast. And go to the mountain range, do a photo shoot. That should be pretty cool.
I don't know where we stand. I was looking for a light.
A ribbon. Cool. Got a game plan for a photo flight. These guys, look at these guys.
You don't wanna be a nurse. I didn't wanna get wasted. Goddamn, 'cause you
Metro
got
Tower,
there
Grumman 1596 Romeo, Detroit,
Nice.
30 right, West Park.
thieves.
1596 Romeo, McDonald, Brooklyn, 30 right, landing 7.
I'd rather
Detroit,
be.
30 right, 96 Romeo.
30 right, wind 30.
She's looking
At runway 30 right for 96
and
Romeo.
I swear to God,
Grumman 1596 Romeo, northwest 3, runway 30 right, click takeoff,
it's nights like
1300 at 3.
these.
There's a right click for takeoff, 1596 Romeo.
Southeast for 4 patterns to match apart. Measure 2 much close, change runway 30 left. Copy, I'm changing to 30 left, Metro Tower.
Alright, what are you thinking? Like,
If we go north of this lake and then turn around, but get a little bit closer if we can.
yeah.
Then I think we can get some nice shots like into the range, and then turn around like south of Chautauqua Park down there.
Yeah.
That'd be dope. Getting like a nice little bit of this like selective light.
Should I go higher?
Yeah, that would be awesome.
She's looking up, and I swear to God I've seen it all before, like on TV. It's nights like these.
Cool. What are you thinking now?
So I'm loving the flat irons here.
Yeah.
So what we can do is swing out a little bit because the prop
Got into it?
screws with me.
Alright, one sec. Here we go.
It's dope. There it is. There's my
At the
shot.
start of the year,
I see you.
Nice, you got it?
here comes your white knight. Got a foot on the edge, looking over the ledge, and everything will be just fine. Turn inside out.
You want to? Let's do a more northerly pass, like there.
Yeah.
Let's head up there because we gotta head up there anyway, right?
Yeah.
So we can just do like a quick turnaround. There's so much more texture there. Looks bananas. Dang, that is so sick up there.
Yeah.
What if we just come around now? I can get some of this without the props. If we turn, can we turn in?
Yeah.
Away. When it's all coming towards you, backed into a corner, it's time to find a way. Don't back down, just keep going. At the turn of the tide, only help you can find is the will to carry on. We'll write a different story.
I'm good.
You're good? Oh man, I need a coffee, dude.
Well, coffee would be so nice.
Ideal.
like a,
Dude, look at how the smoke is like laying there on the ground.
yeah, isn't that crazy?
Insane.
I was watching that earlier when I was on like the offside.
Yeah.
We were going north.
Let me get it quick.
Greeley.
That's wild down there.
My air quality notification.
Oh, nice, dude.
Good, but it's crazy you can still see that line.
Yeah. Out there, too.
Right?
Alright. Greeley traffic, Grumman 1596 Romeo is 8 miles to the west. We're going to head to the 45 for the left, downwind for 35, Greeley. Alright, let's blow in from the left because the smoke is going that way. I forgot where the diner was. Ah, there it is.
35, Greeley.
Greeley traffic, Grumman 1596 Romeo short, final 35, Greeley.
96 Romeo, are you guys at full stop or are you doing pattern work?
We're going to be a full stop for 96 Romeo. Oof, you can really smell that
Yeah, that's funky.
corporate pollution. That's how you land it, kids.
That was pretty sweet, dude. Imagine the diner closed on Thursdays.
I would die.
We got a killer over there.
Great. I should have probably checked the hours. Now I'm paranoid.
Oh my god. I just said that because, like, I don't see anybody there.
I know.
Ah! What's it called?
Barnstormers?
It's open.
Okay, cool.
Closes at 2 p.m.
What? Cool. We did it.
We made it.
We're in Greeley for breakfast. Got some good shots, I think.
Yeah, so
I think,
far so good.
Yeah, when we get back out there, it'll be pretty cool too. But
Nice.
let's go get some pancakes.
Let's get it.
Because I am starving.
Yes.
Yep, actually. Yep, that's a good. Yep.
Said the passenger to the pilot.
Yeah. I know, dude. I just thought about that.